Guess what time it is again? Yeah, I know. It's test time. Okay, again, not a real test, just a practice. So we're going to go ahead and do our reading practice this time. Okay, so you guys will have 22 minutes in order to do all the questions. Everyone ready? Set? Start. Okay, now that everyone's done, let's see Andy's number one. Oh, there's no Andy. Sorry. We have John and Selena. You guys got gold, okay, and then silver and bronze. Okay, so let's take a look at which questions you guys had trouble with. Number 5 and number 13. Number 6, 10, 11, 12. So let's go ahead and start with question number 5. Oops. All right, so let's take a look at our reading first. So for our reading passage type, Jamie, do you remember what it was? What's the type? What's the type? You don't remember? That's okay. Ginny, do you know?
Academic reading?
It's some sort of academic reading passage. Okay, so if they say, this and this happened today, what kind would that be? The news, okay? So this is a news reading passage type. Let's take a look at question number 5. Selena, read it for us, please.
Which sentence does not fit in the context?
Okay, what keywords do we see?
Not.
Not. Okay, let's take a look at our sentences, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which paragraph do we see them in?
The second paragraph.
The second paragraph. All right, John, read our first sentence, please.
Built in the 1840s, the imposing structure was famously declared the ugliest building in the city's history by a local civic group.
Jamie, number 2.
It was considered an unnecessary addition to the city landscape.
Ginny, 3.
Many praised the architects of the building for their vision.
And Selena, 4.
During the gold rush years of 1860s, however, the hotel became a hive of activity.
Okay, so from here, in order to figure out which sentence does not belong, which sentences should we look at? John?
Before and after.
Right, the before and after. Okay, so John, go ahead and read the sentence for us, please.
The hotel has long been surrounded by controversy.
Okay, so what does controversy mean? Jamie?
There's like different opinions about it.
Right, different opinions about it, okay? So everything after that, at least for number 1, 2, 3, and 4, what should it be about?
The controversy?
The controversy, very good, okay? So taking a look at the sentence that we have, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which one do you think does not belong? Which one is not talking about the controversy? John?
I think number 3 doesn't fit.
Okay, why?
Because sentence 1 and 2, they talk about it being not good.
Right.
But then 3 says good, and but in sentence 4, there's a however transition. So I think that we shouldn't have the other idea until after the transition.
All right, excellent. Right, so remember those transition words help us connect our ideas together. So after, however, should be the same or different from before.
Different.
Okay, and we have the however later on here, but we have a positive here, but we had negative before that. Okay, so taking a look back to our question, let's see if John's correct. Our answer is 3. All right, great job, guys. So let's also take a look at question number 11.